Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Friday morning, it's the 18th day of October. Much to talk about this morning. We have that system in the Gulf, which is still called Potential Tropical Cyclone 16. Why do they call it that? Well, because it can't be called a tropical storm yet. It just hasn't gotten its act together yet. But they have to call it something in order to put out tropical storm warnings along the coast. And they continue along the Alabama coast and northwest Florida coast. I'll show you the brand new cone that just came in from the National Hurricane Center. And of course, you want to know, how is it going to affect us locally? We'll get into potential wind speeds, potential rainfall, the track of the storm, and then there's a strong cold front on Monday night. Will we see some severe weather with that system? And what about the rest of the week? Here we go. Potential Tropical Cyclone 16 located 390 miles south of the mouth of the Mississippi River this morning with 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and a tropical storm warning now in effect from the Mississippi-Alabama line through northwest Florida to the Big Bend area of Florida. We'll take a closer look at the cone now, and you can see it reaches 55-mile-an-hour winds potentially late tonight, 1 a.m. Saturday, well south of the coastline, and then coming ashore probably Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon between Mariana and Dothan at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still is a minimal tropical storm heading for the Carolinas. This is the rain band coming in later on this evening and then through the overnight hours tonight. And this is through midday hours on Saturday. And you can see some of the heavier rain bands in southeast Alabama. And also, we'll do a close-up here at 8 a.m. in the morning, some of the brighter showers and squalls here into central and eastern Alabama at that particular hour. And how much rain could fall depends on where you live. If you live in southeast Alabama, maybe you could see 1.5 inches or more of rain. And I see 0.68 around Auburn, 0.51 around Montgomery, and then lesser amounts as you get to the northwest of Montgomery. So some people won't see much rain at all from this system. Some of the maximum wind speeds, this is off the European. I see some 26, 27, 28-mile-an-hour wind gusts here in central Alabama. The green area in southeast Alabama would be over 30 miles per hour. And I see some over 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts in southwestern Georgia. For us today, look for a comfortable day with a high temperature up to about 71. Tonight's low 58. The showers coming in late tonight in the wee hours of the morning from that tropical system. East wind 6 to 12 miles per hour will increase as we go through the overnight hours tonight. Here's 4 a.m. Saturday morning. The system very close to the coastline at that hour, still moving northeastward rapidly. And there it is, near where Georgia, Alabama, and Florida come together Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Here's Saturday at 4 o'clock on the GFS. By that time, for most of us, the action is over here in central Alabama. And then Sunday turns out to be a nice day, a little warmer with a high temperature up around 80. The next system that we deal with is a strong cold front Monday. This is Monday, 1 p.m. I think we're dry during the afternoon, but late in the afternoon towards evening and Monday night, there could be a line of strong storms associated with this strong cold front moving through. Will they be severe? Well, it's too early to say right now. Tuesday morning at 7 a.m., the front has made it into southeast Alabama. The showers are starting to end, and we get into much cooler air after that. So I've got a 60% chance of rain in during the morning and midday hours Saturday with a high around 70. Sunday's a great day. Monday, 40% chance daytime, 70% chance Monday night, some stronger storms Monday night, and then ending on Tuesday morning. Then much cooler behind that. We're back to the 40s on Wednesday morning. Another significant front about a week from today. This one could be a severe weather producer. Another strong cold front moving in, and it will deliver some very chilly air back behind it for the following weekend and the early part of that next week. A lot of weather in the next few days, folks. Hey, if you don't have our weather app on your phone or tablet yet, get it on your phone. Download it this morning, all right? And be ready for it'll keep you up to date on all the action. I'll have additional posts for you. You'll be able to see where the storm is, radar, future radar, push notifications for any severe weather alerts as well. Just go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. I'll have an update for you early in the morning as well on this system and how it's affecting us. And of course, there'll be posts as needed throughout the day as well. We'll be live on radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I will talk about this situation on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 this morning. And that's all I have for you right now. Have a good day. See you later.